Uy, teka. Naghahanap ko pa rin ba na auto? Alam ko, wala pa din. Oh, tignan mo to. Siguradong masaya si Mrs. yan dahil kasya lahat na pinamili niya dyan.
Oh, sa'yo na tong 2023 Suzuki Ertiga Automatic. 3,000 lang ang mileage, number coding every Friday.
Oh, makinis, diretso. Oh, tunog brand new.
Fresh factory paint plus all parts are intact and genuine.
Oh, tingnan mo.
15-inch manufacturer's rim wrap in thick Dunlop tires.
Silipin mo.
Powered by 1.5-liter gas engine with variable valve timing technology.
Halika, ikutan natin loob.
Dashboard, center console, and sidings are intact, plus all electronic devices and switches are working.
May
Central locking system, 4-speed automatic transmission, and touchscreen head unit. Fresh fabric seats, 4/7.
ganda! Parang brand new loob, no?
Plus easy fold-down seats on third for your large cargo.
Oh, uwi mo na to. Habang nandito pa, mag-message ka lang o mag-iwan ka ng comment. Click mo yung mga button sa gilid, oh.